Good day, ma'am sir. My name is Noel Janes Latag and I am 23 years old. And I live in Block 10, Lot 72, Masagana State, Lumina Subdivision sa Gran Europa, Cagayan de Oro City. And I am currently enrolled in COD Cagayan University for the course taken Bachelor of Science Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. And I am currently working at AJS Realty for the position of Unit Manager. One of the greatest accomplishments or achievements that I've done is like when I first joined in real estate, I was able to make a sale in just 1 month of joining in real estate. And I am employed here for the last 5 years in real estate in AJS Realty. So I started joining in real estate in AJS Realty for the last 5 years, and from 2020 up to now, and from marketing associate, and now I'm a unit manager in the company. And the reason that I enrolled in ETIAP is for me to have a degree and also to use the degree to have a license and to become a licensed salesperson in real estate. Thank you.